how to swap batteries on AirTag. So if you have your Apple AirTag with you and you want to replace the batteries because maybe the charge is finished for this battery and the capacity has expired, and maybe you want to replace it with a newer battery. So what you have to do is just turn this AirTags towards the back side. You can see the silver thing right here. To remove this, what we have to do is just press this firmly and swipe and tilt it towards the left hand side. So it will not come off right like that. Just press it and tilt towards the left hand side, and you can see it will just come like this right off. And now here you can see the detachable batteries, which can then be replaced with different batteries of your choice. So here you can see the model of that battery as well and the type that it uses. Now if you want to, you can just place the other battery and just notice these 3 pockets that are spaces available over here, and you can see the 3 different legs of this one as well. Just put this exactly on that spot, just hold it, and then now you want to just lock it and tilt towards the right hand side to lock them. So now you can see it has been successfully added or attached as well. And that's all it takes to swap your batteries on AirTag. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.